which was where the scheme should have been built. This is in 1976. And of course, we wanted to go to the Tondo. Mm-hmm. And everybody said, "Oh, you can't go to the Tondo, it's so dangerous." Mm-hmm. And we said, "No, we want to go to the Tondo." And they said, "No, no, no, we can't help you in the Tondo." You know, we And then we met a priest who said, "If you want to come to the Tondo, come with me." So we said, "We're coming with you." We went into the Tondo, and it was so moving for me because I've never been anywhere where people were so sweet and so pleased to see us. And so it was just incredible. It was an incredible afternoon. I will never forget it, how beautiful the people were there, living under the most difficult circumstances. And that was a great lesson for me.
Wow.
Great lesson.